So for those who are running these Trailblazers, this is a 325. Bought this last year in 2020. It's got 125 hours on it. Anyways, you got a starter. You try and start it, and it just wouldn't start. Then it'd finally start, and it'd want to stall, and then it tried to run away from me. And it shows on the voltage 1.2 volts, 1.6, and then 0 amps. So call Miller. This is what you need to go and get yourself, or check. Is this 250 volt, 15 amp, 10 amp fuse, and it goes back behind the board here, and that's where that fuse goes. And you just check it with your voltmeter, set it to 2K on your ohms there, and you rest them on the edge of that. And if it says 0, so right now I'm touching the fuse and it's got nothing, but if I touch my two posts together, it'll run through. So anyways, there's a troubleshoot.